Hello, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Welcome to Life with Ro. I'm Ro. Today, I will be showing you guys how I make my loaded chicken, shrimp, steak, lobster tail, and blue shell crab potato. Instead of using cheese today, I'm going to use an Alfredo sauce, which I make homemade. Sorry about my voice. I lost it yesterday. Did a lot of screaming and yelling at work to try to pump my associates up to push out more units. So please forgive my voice. All right. So we're going to get into the ingredients you will need to make this dish. Start off with our heavy whipping cream. Again, this is how I make my Alfredo sauce from scratch. I also use Parmesan cheese. You're going to need some broccoli. I have some fresh onions to garnish the top when I'm finished. I also have green bell peppers, yellow, red, and orange. I do not use the whole pepper. I'll use probably a quarter for this dish. I have extra large shrimp, raw shrimp. I have onions, and I like red potatoes. I know they sell the brown ones. You can get one big one and you can make a baked potato with, but I prefer the red one, so I just use approximately 5 to 4 potatoes for one dish. Alright, I also have the blue shell crab, boneless chicken breast, and I have ribeye steaks cut thin. Also have lobster tails, alright? So with the process, I just make the sauce, grill the meat, and once I finish that process, I'll be back to show you guys how I put it together. This is the grilled chicken breast. Grilled chicken breast. Steak. Steak. Shrimp. Blue shell crab and lobster tail. Alright guys, now it's time to prepare the potatoes. So I already have the potatoes nice and ready. I'm going to put about 5 of them in one pan, cut them open, and get the process started. So as you can see on the side, I have my Parmesan cheese. I have garlic butter. And I have my secret Rose Kitchen seasoning that I will add on the potato before I put the sauce and the different meats on it. Alright. So I'm going to cover the entire pan. I'll add some seasoning to it. Again guys, my seasoning is good for almost anything you cook. It's not too salty. It has a mix of a lot of different seasonings. And we're going to take the garlic butter. Can never have too much butter. That's going to melt because these potatoes are hot. And when I put the sauce on it, it's going to help it melt even faster. Alright guys, so now it's time to add the sauce and all the different meats to the pan of potatoes. But first I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Never can have too much cheese or butter. Alright, and cheese sauce, Alfredo sauce with broccoli and bell peppers and onions. I like my potato really saucy, so with a lot of broccoli. Alright. And next we're going to add the meats. Again, I have the chicken, steak, and shrimp. Chicken on one side. And then we're going to have a little corner for the shrimp. Alright, and now I'm going to add the lobster tail and blue shell crab. Here's the lobster tail. And here is the blue shell crab. Alright, so all the meats are added. I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese on top. And it'll melt right away because again, this product is hot and fresh. And to garnish the potato, I'm going to put some fresh green onions on top. And because I love sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit more sauce. Alright guys, there you have it. Loaded baked potato with shrimp, steak, chicken, lobster tail, and blue shell crab, covered in Alfredo sauce, mixed with broccoli, green onions, and bell peppers. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you guys try it. Thanks again so much for watching.